Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I'll be showing you how to make this quick and simple, very juicy and tasty chicken and vegetable roast. For the ingredients I have 1 baby chicken which I cleaned, washed and dried, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon cumin coriander powder, 4 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add yogurt, lemon juice and the spices. And mix well. Now coat the chicken. I coated the chicken all around and inside the slits. I'm now going to put cling film on top and keep it in my fridge. Here I have is 8 Brussels sprouts, 4 potatoes and 4 carrots. For the spices I have 3/4 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon garam masala, 1/4 tablespoon black pepper, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cumin coriander powder and a half tablespoon kasuri methi. I also have 3 tablespoons of oil. In a bowl, add oil, the spices, mix well. I have cut the carrots and potatoes in 4 pieces. I left the skin on the potatoes. I also left my Brussels sprouts the same. I'm now going to add the mixture. And mix well. I mixed well. I've put the chicken inside a baking tray. I'm now going to put the vegetables inside with it. I've put it in a baking tray. I have also preheated my oven on gas mark 8. I'm now going to put tin foil on top and bake it for an hour. If it's not completed in an hour, I'm going to keep it for another 30 minutes. It's been in the oven for 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm now going to take it out. The chicken roast is ready. It smells divine. If you enjoyed my video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching.